Okay, so these are some of the exercise that you can do every couple of hours. If you're working from home, it tend to we sit for too long in front of computer, and that affects our blood circulation. That also affects our body movements. So every couple of hours, make sure you get up, and there are four types of exercise that you can do. First thing is the squats. The second is knee highs, and couple of hand exercises, and then we can do some jumping jacks without jumping too much. Okay, so this will help you to keep active, keep the blood flowing to every different organ and body parts throughout the day, and you can get the most benefit of your exercise routine if you keep it active, your body active throughout the day. Just doing exercise 30 minutes at the end of the day won't do as much good if you do it along with keeping your body active during the day. So that will give better benefits. So let's start. So the squat is you put your hands in front of you, get a nice distance between two legs, and do uh, 10 reps of each exercise. Okay, so let's start. Keep your hands parallel to the ground, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, and also the back should be straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so the next one is keep your hands near your shoulder and get knee highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 10 or 20 depending upon how much time you have. The next one is keep your hands straight, up, side, and bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the fourth one is jumping jacks. Keep your distance between two legs and just raise your hands, bring it down. Raise your hands, bring it down. Raise your hands. You can do a little variation in this one. So you can do 1, 2, basically bringing your right leg behind your left and left leg behind your right. So do 10 each side. These are simple exercises, but if you do 10 sets of each, will definitely help you burn some calories and also keep the blood flowing. And just couple others that I would like to add is if you're sitting, just get up and keep walking at your place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can raise your legs. Immediately you feel your heart rate going up. Okay, keep your hands on your waist and you can twist and turn. Okay, so that should help. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me and include this in your during your day, and you're good to go.